Hey guys, this is PB Jelly Time C14, and here I have another video. This is just going to be a really short video, about maybe like a minute or two. And yeah, so I have here, this is a popsicle stick butterfly knife. It is almost completely made out of popsicle sticks. Yeah, so here's a closer look at it. So here's the tip, which pretty much just sanded down to an edge. And here's the hinges, which is literally made out of folded staples. And it's attached like that. And the hinges hold this, which is the handles. And when you close it, the blade fits right in between these two popsicle sticks. Fits right in between, so that way it's a snug fit. It's a really snug fit. And so yeah, I've only had this for about like a day, and yeah, so the materials I needed was a bunch of popsicle sticks, staples, a toothpick, and some glue. For glue, you don't need to use hot glue or super glue. I just used regular Elmer's glue because this actually works the best on, I find that this works the best on like popsicle sticks and stuff, but it does take a lot longer time to dry. This drying in all took me probably more than half of the time just waiting for it to dry. So yeah. Alright, sorry for my tricks, they're kind of bad, but I just learned them literally like an hour ago. Yeah. So yeah, this is my popsicle stick butterfly knife, and I might be making a tutorial for this. I had to eat a lot of ice creams to make this though. So this is PB Jelly Time C14 signing out. See you guys. Please like, comment, subscribe, and rate. Share too. Bye.